The TCW260 is a Teracom-branded monitoring module that presents a comprehensive and advanced monitoring solution with analog inputs that can be used with 4 to 20 looping signals or 0 to 10 volts voltage. Additionally, it has MODBUS RTU protocol through a RS485 interface supporting up to 24 devices, status indicator LEDs, digital inputs that can support typical dry contact outputs of sensors, plug input for power supply and of voltage, output for powering other devices, Ethernet port with support for M2M protocols, such as SNMP, HTTP, API, and MODBUS TCP. All parameters can be organized in up to 24 channels that can be monitored numerically or graphically directly from a browser through its web interface.